So, have you ever caught yourself overthinking things? Thinking like, what if this doesn't go right? What if I fail? What if this pattern repeats? What if this happens? What if that happens? Do you ever find yourself thinking like that? You may think that you're solving a problem by thinking like that, but I'm sure अगर आप ऐसा सोचते हो तो आपको ये ध्यान में आता होगा कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के बजाय आप एक्चुअली आपका प्रॉब्लम या तो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं या बढ़ा रहे हैं. सो ओवर थिंकिंग जो एक चीज़ है जो लॉट ऑफ पीपल सफ़र फ्रॉम ओवर थिंकिंग. वाई व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट ओवर थिंकिंग फॉर? बेसिकली एक पॉइंट होता है, उस पर हम स्पाइरल करने लग जाते हैं. वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग मोर एंड मोर अबाउट दैट पॉइंट till finally the point is really small, but our thoughts have become very big. So what happens when you overthink? You mostly think in terms of what if. What if this happens? What if this goes wrong? What if that doesn't happen? What if he doesn't show up? What if she does this? So how do you control this? A few small tips for you. पहले तो when you catch yourself doing what if thinking, replace the what if with even if. So even if I fail, this. Even if he doesn't show up, this. What happens when you go into even if thinking? Your brain is forced to find solutions. What if thinking creates anxiety, whereas even if thinking helps your mind to stay focused, helps your brain to find solutions, which is what you want to do to begin with. Second चीज जो आप कर सकते हैं, take a notebook and write down what that statement is, and उसके बाद एक बार आपकी वो what if statement आपने लिख ली, after that you write down how is this thinking helping me. What does this do? It forces your mind to objectively look at what you are thinking, and then it objectively arrives at the conclusion that this is actually not helping me at all. So what happens is आपकी awareness बढ़ जाती है, there is a higher chance that you can snap out of that thinking. Alright? And another way you can do it is, if you find आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा you are getting occupied by that thought, try and time your thinking. You can always set a timer and say, okay, I'm going to think about this for exactly this much time. After this, I'm going to distract myself. Distract कैसे करना है? किसी action से, thought से नहीं. तो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा overthinking में घुस रहे हैं, आपको समझ में आ रहा है I'm not able to control it, give yourself a time span. Say, okay, after 10 minutes I am going to do XYZ, जो भी होगा. आप खुद के लिए चाय बनाइए, you call up a friend, you watch something, or you go downstairs and clean your bike or clean your car, whatever. Do something which engages your body and your mind. That is the perfect distraction for overthinking. Lot of times people confuse overthinking with thinking deeply. These are two different things. Just because you overthink doesn't make you very intelligent. It doesn't make you wise. Okay? What if thinking is a gateway to anxiety. तो हमें उस gateway में घुसना बिल्कुल नहीं है. So if you catch yourself in these kind of patterns, identify them, grow your awareness and get out of it. और अगर if you are not able to get out of it, please seek professional help. Within few sessions itself, you will be able to get out of this thinking and you will start actually living your life as against being anxious throughout your life.